Now it's time to remove the bad LED. I found a good method to remove it is by using a little crimper tool. So I just break off the top layer, and you can see the two pads underneath that. That's for the new LED to go on. I'm using the multimeter just to make sure that there's no sound, there's no continuity. Here's a new LED. This one's a 3-volt LED. If you flip it over, you can see there's two pads. The bigger pad is negative and the smaller pad is positive. So I'm going to be showing how to repair or put on a new LED with just a soldering iron. What you do is you put a little bit of solder on one side and just tack the LED onto the pad, then do the same on the other side. I'm also using some solder flex just to make a better contact. Now use your multimeter and just verify that it works. You can see that that's fixed. A faster method to put on a new LED is using a heat gun. You can buy a heat gun for about $80 on Amazon. What you do is you put on liquid solder on the two pads, then put on your LED, make sure it's on right. Then you're going to heat it up with the heat gun 330 degrees for about 10 seconds, about 1 centimeter above that LED.
Now, if you hear that, that means that it didn't seat right. Okay, because those pads are actually shorting out the circuit. So actually I have to reheat this one back a little bit. There you go.
Use your voltmeter or LED tester to verify that it's working. It is. So that's a fixed LED.